Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this cordless patio brass 20V from Parkside, the model PFBA 20 Li A1. Bare unit, battery and charger are not included. That means you need to buy separately if you choose the 2Ah or the 4Ah battery with a regular charger or the fast charger. You need to give about 25 euros for the 2Ah with a charger and 35 euros with a 4Ah and a fast charger. Tool compatible with all batteries in the Parkside X20 Volt Team series. No lower rotation speed is 1200 RPM. Pole length is 103 to 123 centimeters. Accessories included inside. Joint brass with a wire bristles. Joint brass with a nylon bristles. Suitable for natural stone, concrete, paving, tiles, wood or wood composites. WPC. 3 years warranty. Extendable pole for bug-friendly work length, adjustable by approximately 20 centimeters. Well, nice all that. Let's open to see what we have inside, find out more about this tool and how we can use it. Okay, inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm going to find out all about this product. One paving joint brass with a powerful wire bristless and one joint brass with a gentle nylon bristless. Now, there we've got the wheel. Wheel goes here. Just press. And that was all. Okay. And this is the cover. You can see soft here, some screws are for the brushless. And obviously it goes here. We've got 3 screws at this position. And here we can see the connection. Just pull down this. It is a bit connection. You can see. Goes inside. It locks. Not going anywhere, the same. And for that, just pull. And it locks. Nice. Okay. And of course we've got connection here. And I can see we've got 2 metal joint connections. It is for the power, same inside here. Alignment very well. Here, of course, it has this gap, locks with this gap. And then screw that, tied it very well, lock and lock, you can see here. And of course we've got, and here you can adjust it further 20 centimeters, and of course you can lock it from here wherever you want. Okay, nice, I like it. And of course we've got, and the handle, we've got a storage case for one of these. Nice, convenient. I like it. And locks. Nice. And you can have your spare unit at all time with you. And the handle goes here. Screw that. You can adjust it. Find the right position. Screw it very well. And you can hold it just like that. And of course we need the battery. We've got the on-off switch, safety lock, just press. And of course you can use the 2 ampere hours battery with a regular charger, 2.4 amp, 65 watt, or they cost 25 euros together, or the 4 ampere hours battery with a 4.5 amp, 120 watt, they cost 35 euros together. It is your choice what you want to buy. Definitely it can do the job, and with the 2 ampere hours battery. And I'm sure you've got a Parkside cordless tool at your home, and you can use definitely your battery and your charger. If not, well, just buy one battery and one charger and buy more Parkside tools and do your job. I will use the 4 ampere hours. And let's see now. By just pressing the button. Now I will use this for cleaning my tiles. And here I've got this dirt on my tiles. Let's find out if it can clean it. Clean. More dirt here. Clean as new. Amazing. Nice, I like it. It's doing a good job. Great way to remove any dirt from the tile joints, from any concrete paving, natural stone, wood and more. Use the right bristle if that is a nylon or the wire, and definitely you can clean any dirt. It costs about 45 euros. Of course you need to buy the batteries. For the regular 2 ampere hours and the charger, you need to give another 25 euros, and for the fast charger 4 ampere hours, you need to give another 35 euros. But if you've got any cordless Parkside tools, they fit perfectly because they belong to the Parkside X20V team series, all these batteries. For me, thumbs up. As you can see, guys, it is cleaning very well. If you need that kind of tools, without a doubt, just buy it and do your job. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.